Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, often abbreviated NAFLD by medical professionals, describes a liver condition that affects people who drink little or no alcohol. It occurs when too much fat accumulates in the liver, which compromises liver function and damages liver cells. If left untreated, it can lead to a condition called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH, which can progress to cirrhosis, or liver scarring, and liver failure. Treatment of NAFLD typically centers around maintaining a healthy weight and eating a liver-friendly diet. This video focuses on foods you should eat to help repair damage done by non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Generally speaking, someone with NAFLD should eat a lot of foods that fight cell damage and make it easier for your body to use insulin and reduce liver inflammation. Such foods include healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids and monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates such as the following: fruits and vegetables, especially berries and leafy greens, more fish and seafood instead of red meat, legumes, many kinds of nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, olive oil, canola oil, and other vegetable oils, whole grains like oatmeal and other high-fiber choices. Foods and beverages with a lot of antioxidants include these: coffee and green tea, raw garlic, vitamin E, which is plentiful in sunflower seeds. Every person is unique, and the dietary needs of one individual can be somewhat different from the needs of another. So you should definitely work with your doctor to come up with an NAFLD diet plan that's right for you.